To resolve the no sound issue with your SteelSeries Arctis, several potential causes need to be considered. If your SteelSeries Arctis is not set as the default output device, or if the audio drivers or SteelSeries engine software are outdated, this could be the source of the problem. To fix these issues, start by checking the default audio device. This can be done by clicking on the sound symbol in the taskbar. Then selecting Go to Settings and More Sound Settings, followed by Playback Devices. From there, choose your SteelSeries Arctis device as the default device. If this doesn't resolve the issue, updating the audio drivers is the next step. To do this, open the Device Manager by searching for it in the search bar. Then locate and expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs option. Click on your SteelSeries Arctis device. Select the Driver option and choose Update Driver. From there, select Search automatically for updated driver software. If updating the audio drivers doesn't work, check for updates to the SteelSeries engine software by visiting the official SteelSeries website. If an update is available, download and install it on your computer. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the no sound issue with your SteelSeries Arctis.